To change a Smok M80 X Pro. So right now I'm firing it at 50 watts, 50.1 watts. Can't really read that. It's hard for the LED to pick up what exactly I'm trying to read here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, go through the settings, tech mode, mech mode, wattage, temp control. So now I got it set for 750. Sorry about that. I got it at 750 watts or 750 degrees. As it gets up to it, it raises the wattage. Boom. It went up to 51 watts. So that's what I want it to be. So okay, so you see at 700 watts. Let me see if I can get the focus in. Alright, 750, 600 degrees, 700, it's at 50 watts. It backed it up to where it needed to be. Now, I'm going to change it back to wattage mode. 1, 2, 3. Back to setting mode, temp, mech, wattage. So now it's back at 50 watts, as far as the 50 watts, or I can go 1, 2, 3. Here I'm going to go to the temp control, and I'm going to change it from 750. Let's do 600. So now I'm going to fire at 600 degrees. So let's go back to doing temp control instead of wattage. So now here's wattage, temp control. See how the wattage raises and lowers as I need it. Alright, let me pause this. Alright, now you can see how it raises up the wattage to get to the temperature that I need it to be. 1, 2, 3. Going to go back to change the temperature control. I'm going to raise it back from 600 to 700. That's where a good clean hit comes from. Okay, so nothing bad going on there. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Let's go back to the settings and let's go from tech mode, temp mode to mech mode. So as you see, it's reading 0.0 watts. It's not showing any variable voltage. It's showing that my build is at 0.29. So I can either hit it in 3 different settings. You have, this says mech mode, which is just running off the battery. I got wattage mode, temp mode, mech mode. So I'm going to go back to wattage. That's the temp control setting. Wattage, temp, mech, wattage. So let's keep it at wattage. Let's go from 50 watts to, let's give it 60. Goes up to 80. Hell, let's do 80. Let's just get the spectators a show. $80 watts. I showed you all 3 now. Showed you wattage hit, I showed you temp hit, and I've showed you the mech hit. With a 3/4 battery, you can see that The mech mode is only going to let me do what it wants me to do. So 80 watts. I've done temp control. 1, 2, 3. Temp mode. Building up, building up. There's 50, 55 watts. Ladies and gentlemen, please continue to follow me and enjoy.